Today I'm going to show you the best way to cook bacon and a great bacon appetizer. So first we're going to start with cooking our bacon, and we're going to put that on our tray, which we're going to spray so that it doesn't stick.
Ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be, so if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me down. But sometimes you can't handle your emotions, and I guess that's okay. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be, so if you ever leave.
Next we're going to make bacon on a stick. This is delicious. You can take this to any party and you won't have any left over. It's very popular. I've made it a lot of times. First, trim our bacon, and then we're gonna combine our ingredients into a Ziploc bag. All right, we're gonna cut fat off the edges. Maybe like just a little bit. Maybe half an inch on each end. All right, now we're going to combine our ingredients. Here is our light brown sugar, our granulated sugar, ground cinnamon, our ground nutmeg, and our ground cloves. So let's combine that in the bag, because we want each piece of bacon to be coated well. So one piece at a time. We'll coat. Skewer. And our piece of bacon. Be sure that you're using thick cut bacon, otherwise it really won't stay well on the skewer. All right, now that we've got it coated, we're going to spread it out so it gets cooked evenly. We're going to flip these over so they cook on both sides. Just be careful, they're still going to be hot. And then we're going to stick them back in the oven. Our bacon is out of the oven, and it cooked probably for about 30, maybe 45 minutes, depending on your oven. But we want the bacon to be crisp. And now we're going to put it in something decorative. That's your choice. This is what I've used over the years. This is for flowers, and this one could be for many different things. And you decide what works best for you and the amount of bacon that you're making. You'll probably be able to find many options. Put the point side down, and you're ready to enjoy.
Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. Ever since you came around, I've never been sober.